Thank you for jumping on the call with us today. This is Ryan Goodman with ConnectBooster, and I'm here with
Jamie Warner from Invarosoft.
Absolutely. And we are so excited about a project that our two respective teams have been working on to add value to you, all of our mutual partners, and partners that maybe don't know about one of us or the other of us. So we're dropping this news today. And Jamie, why don't you tell the partners what it is you guys do, and following up to that, what we've been working on, and to not make this even longer, show us what we have going on and what we're working on together.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for having me, Ryan, and really excited to talk a little bit more about what we've been doing together. So if you haven't heard of about Invarosoft, what we've actually built is what we're calling an ITSM customer experience platform. And so what we really are is the front end to your ticketing system. And so what we've built is a one pane of glass desktop and mobile app that you can deploy across all your devices. And that's the one pane of glass that the end user can use to log tickets, to take screenshots, you get device information. We've got bots and automation, all these great and amazing things. But what we say to people is that you should probably think about in 2020, a more modern MSP approach is to replace support with apps, bots, and automation. So that's kind of what we've been building over the last couple of years.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And what we have done together, I don't want to steal the thunder, which is a single sign-on. So single pane of glass for end users, check. Huge feature. How about multiple logins? Because I know everybody loves trying to remember email address, username, password to get into pieces of software that work together nice, and we've also solved that problem for our mutual partners.
Absolutely, yeah. Look, and that's the thing is that with this technology, if you think about your MSP and you think, okay, well, I want to make it a better customer experience, I want to put one pane of glass there, then it makes sense that our product and platform is starting to integrate with awesome vendors like ConnectBooster, so that instead of saying to your clients, oh, here's the portal for this, and here's the portal for that, and there's the URL, and I'll bookmark it all for you, how about having it all in one location so the user can just think, oh, I'll just go to the IT button, or your logo if you want, and then from there, they open up the app and they can click a button and immediately get auto-authenticated into the relevant portal that they need. And in this instance, that's what we've built with ConnectBooster, which is a single sign-on button, one click, easy access straight into the portal.
Couldn't have said it better myself, my friend. I would love to see this thing in action. I think we're prepared for it. We practice our transitions here. So let's show them what they want to see.
Absolutely. And look, while we're doing that as well, I guess the key thing you've got to remember, and you should see my screen there as we speak, is that the whole idea of making it easy for your customers to get access to things is all about taking away friction. And it takes away, when you think about ConnectBooster and you think about finance, you think about paying bills and looking at invoices and those sorts of things, the most common frustration that people will get is when they're chasing an invoice to be paid, is that the customer will say, oh, I didn't get the invoice, or actually, no, sorry, I forgot my login details for that portal. Yeah, you guys had a portal, right? And so then you go, okay, I'll send it to you. Now, they're just playing a game. We all know that customer is playing a game, because the game of life is to get the money in quick and let it out really slow. Right. And so what we've done here, and I'll open up the app on the desktop, is create a ConnectBooster SSO button, which is here. So this is the IT Support panel app. And really what they can do is come in, once you've set it up, super easy to do, I'll show you in a sec, click the button, and it will auto-authenticate the user of the app, because we know who the user is of the app, and it'll put them straight into their relevant user account into ConnectBooster. So now we've taken away the friction, we've taken away the excuses that they can't find your invoices or they don't know where to go to pay your bill. It's right there on the IT button in the app, 2 clicks, they're in.
So as people are watching this video, they're saying to themselves, cool, where do I go to get access to this type of functionality between ConnectBooster and Invarosoft?
Absolutely. So if you're already an Invarosoft partner, of course, you come in here and you come into to set up the actual integration. You go to integrations, and you can see we're slowly building out our integrations there, ConnectBooster, and we've got instructions which you can click on and read how to do that. So all you need to do is get the relevant information, the host and the token, etc., set it up, and you're basically ready to go. All you need to do once you've actually set up this simple configuration is go to your button collection, and this is the button collection we're looking at the moment. So these are the buttons on the app live, and you basically just add a new button, and when you add that button, what you're actually adding is an integration action. You can put it whichever section of the button app you want, so support or general, and then you can label it, whatever you want to say, as the button, and then you select the ConnectBooster auto login integration. So really easy. And because, again, we know who the user is, because each app knows first name, last name, email address, that's all you need to do. And if they exist, ConnectBooster does a great job of just authenticating that user straight in.
Super simple, super clean, single pane of glass, removing friction. This is a no-brainer, man. And I appreciate the efforts and energy each of our respective teams have put in. And I would encourage you guys to reach out to Jamie. If you have questions from the ConnectBooster end, reach out to us here by going to www.connectbooster or info@connectbooster.com. I'd also encourage you, if you like what you're seeing here and the value that we're adding by bringing you new solutions and vendor partners and exciting developments within the economy of vendor relationships, subscribe to the channel below, and we'll make sure to serve you up with continued cool, exciting content. Jamie, anything else in terms of signing up? I guess my question for you is where are we going to see you next?
Where are we going to see me next? I think probably DattoCon is the actual event that you'll see us at. So super excited to attend there. And but you'll see us around. We're also doing some great work with ASCII over the next few months. So if you're an ASCII member, watch out for stuff coming out from Invarosoft. And certainly we've got some amazing new features coming out with the self-service bots, our smart engineer bots. So you can basically turn IT Glue into a bot, your documentation, etc. We're going to have outbound chat. We've got sentiment analysis we've just launched. So Invarosoft is, like ConnectBooster, really enthusiastic to bring out great new features, great integrations, and we're really trying to push the envelope of what it means to be a modern MSP in 2020. So yeah, watch out for us, but I concur with Ryan. It's all about working together, and I guess conceptually the thing to take away from these types of integrations is the concept of 1 + 1 = 3.
Absolutely.
When you can get two vendors working together and then the outcome of that is something more than what you would have got individually, then that's the win. And so that's where Ryan and I always look for integrations that actually add value. Otherwise, there's not much point doing it. So that's what I think we've got here to try and help you get paid faster and take away the darkness of where all these invoices are with the SSO button. So super excited to help you. And if you want to find out more, just come to invarosoft.com. You can see it up there, and we'll tell you more about it.
Thanks again, Jamie. Excited about the integration, excited about the value, and looking forward to talking to the partners about the next exciting thing that we end up doing together.
Absolutely.